Hi guys, it's your virtual teacher here, and this is the channel where you learn to love learning. In today's video, it's all about short multiplication, so if you're struggling with that, particularly in year 5 and year 6, then watch the video to find out more.
Okay, so the first one that we're going to have a go at is 25 times 6. Now there are loads of different ways of how you can work this out. We're going to be doing short multiplication. So first job is to set it out brilliantly. So I've got my ones and then I've got my tens. So the first thing that you need to do is, if you're timesing by a 1-digit number, in this case 6, set it out like this and then you can draw 2 lines underneath. So the first thing that you need to do is do 5 times 6. So if you know your times tables, you'll know that is 30. So you put a 0 there and then 3 tens, because you can see diagonally that's 30. And then you do 2 times 6. Now I'm doing 2 times 6. I know that this is actually 20 because it's 2 tens, but because I'm now in the tens column, to make it easier for myself, I can now do 2 times 6. So 2 times 6 I know is 12. Then I add my cheeky number underneath, which is 3. So 12 add 3 is 15. And I put it like that. So altogether, 25 times 6 is 150. The next one I'm going to do is a 3-digit number. So let's have 542 multiplied by 4. So I've set it out brilliantly, and because I'm timesing by a 1-digit number, in this case 4, I can draw my 2 lines, because I know that I'm not going to be kind of adding anything. All I'm going to be adding are the cheeky numbers underneath. So the first thing I need to do is focus on my ones. So 2 times 4, that's 8. So that goes in my ones. My tens, I've got 4 times 4, so 4 tens times 4. 4 times 4 I know is 16, so I'm going to put 6 tens there and then carry my hundreds now. And as you can see, it's 16 diagonally, so 16 tens, but obviously that crosses a boundary into the hundreds. Now I do 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20, but add the 1, which is 21. So the answer is 2,168. Okay, pause video and have a go at this one. So this is for a 4-digit number. So first things I do, you can label these first if it's easier for you. So I've got my thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. So let's start with the ones. So 8 times 3. So 8, 16, 24. So I put 4 there and I carry my tens underneath. It's really important that you keep the columns in the right places. Now do the tens. So I've got 7 times 3 first. So 7 times 3 is 21. But remember, you've got 2 tens. So add the 2 tens onto 21, which would be 23. Good. So 3 there and then the 2 hundreds now. So every time I'm like shifting across my place value. Now I look at the hundreds. So 0 times 3. Remember what I said before, anything times 0 is always 0. So that's 0. Add 2 this time. So 2 hundreds, good. And then my thousands. So 5 times 3 is 15. And then I can just write that quickly on there like that. So overall then, I've got 15,234. Okay, so the next one we're going to do is 4,563 multiplied by 5. So pause the video and have a go. Okay, so I'm going to start by labelling up my digits. So now times my ones. So 3 times 5 is 15. So 5 and then carry the 10. Make sure it's in the right places. Then your tens. So 6 times 5 is 30. Add the 1, 31. You can, if you want to, which might make it kind of easier, is cross out the ones that you add as you go. That's the top tip. Now do the hundreds. So 5 times 5 is 25. Good. And then add the 3, which is 28. So 8 and then 2 thousands. Cross that one off. You've already added it. And then your thousands. So 4 times 5 is 20. Add the 2 this time. 22. So overall, your answer is 22,815. So I really hope this video helped you work out short multiplication for multiplying by a one-digit number.